using the log burner, first of all, it's hot, so be careful if it has been on. You can touch this bottom door here, that's usually cool enough. To open it up, and under here is everything that you need to get it started. So we've got some natural fire lighters. You're going to want to put a few of these in there, and then on top of that, some scrunched up paper, just to give it a bit of extra heat to make the hot air rise up through the chimney here. On top of that, you're going to want some kindling, and then a few of the smaller logs just to get started. The key thing with this log burner is to get a lot of heat in at the beginning to get it running, and then you can start using the larger logs which are over here in the store. This control here just allows more or less air to go into it. So over on the left is when it's open, and over on the right is when it's closed down. So once it's really going nicely, you can close it down slightly. That'll keep the heat in the house and stop it roaring away quite so much. And remember, as soon as it starts to get going, this heats up quite a lot on the top. So you may want to, if you're adding logs on and things like that later, use the tongs, and then up the top here you'll see there's a heat-proof glove, so you can use that as well. Obviously be careful if you're going to be putting your hands near the fire, and behind we have a fire extinguisher. Always make sure that you are home when you're having the log burner running, and so you don't want to leave it unattended, so put it on, just head outside into the hot tub, or if you go out, always make sure someone's in here to keep control of it. So using the log burner the next day, you're going to need to clear the ash out of it, so open it up. In here, you'll see that there is the ashtray where it will collect, and then this control here makes the disc there open and close. So whenever we're burning it, we want to make sure that's open. Just move it around a few times to help let any ash fall down, and then you can scrape out any other ash with this. All the ash can go into this ash bucket here, and then we can take that away.